I'll make chocolate ice cream using only 4 basic ingredients. No churning process and no artificial additives. For our base, we need 500 ml of whipping cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is equivalent to 380 grams. And then 1 gram of salt. For our chocolate ice cream, I weigh 30 grams of natural cocoa powder. If you can find alkalized cocoa powder, it's better. 1, whip the cream to incorporate air until light and fluffy. And lastly, the cocoa powder. Then mix it thoroughly. So you have your chocolate ice cream. We'll transfer it to a clean and airtight container. Cover it and we'll place it inside the freezer for at least 6 hours. Let's use this peanut butter to make chocolate peanut butter. For the chocolate peanut butter, you add your melted dark chocolate, 200 grams, to the peanut butter. I pre-melted this dark chocolate. And then sugar, 30 grams. And then cocoa powder, 25 grams. Then blend it in order to mix the additional ingredients. I think we have already a smooth, fine chocolate paste. Let's see. So you have your own chocolate peanut butter. We'll transfer it to a clean, airtight container. So your chocolate peanut butter is ready. Today, I'll show you how to make oat milk at home using just 2 ingredients. For the ingredients, you only need 1 cup rolled oats and 4 cups cold water. That's it. First, place the rolled oats and the cold water into the blender. So for the oats, I need 1 cup. Into the blender. Then 4 cups cold water. Then blend for about 30 to 40 seconds, just enough to break down the oats. Then strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer or a clean cloth or nut milk bag. Then transfer the oat milk into a clean airtight container. And so you have your own oat milk made at home. Here's what you need to make a kilo of sweetened condensed milk. 450 grams refined or powdered sugar, 290 grams water, 200 grams milk powder. You can use full cream or skim milk powder or a 50-50% blend. And lastly, 60 grams coconut oil. First, weigh all the ingredients accurately. Sugar is 450 grams. And then last, coconut oil. Second, cook over on a medium heat while stirring constantly. Looks like the mixture has already dissolved, so we'll put it on low fire. So here's the condensed milk, fresh from the stove, with the right color and consistency that I want. Cool the condensed milk completely and transfer in a clean, airtight container. So you have your own homemade sweetened condensed milk ready. For the ingredients, 2 liters of whole milk. For the procedure, 1. Place 2 liters of whole milk in the pot. And then heat to 82 to 85 degrees centigrade. Continue stirring while heating to avoid burning the bottom. So 10 minutes is over. So from the stove, we'll put the pot in a basin with cold water and we'll cool the milk to lukewarm temperature around 43 to 45 degrees centigrade. So we're now ready to prepare our starter. I'm using this plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons. In order to mix well, I'm also putting 3 tablespoons of our milk. And then we'll mix this using this. And then we'll pour this into the milk. Then cover the pot with this towel to maintain the warm temperature. Okay, so after 9... Wow, look at that.